Tell me who you are sexually, and I can tell you a lot about the type of person that you are. Hi, I'm Renee, and I'm the madam of the School of Somatic Kink. We're a leading training organization that offers courses that carries the seal of excellence, and it's accredited by the International Institute of Contemporary Therapy. Everything that we work with and that we teach how we can embody sex as consciousness, how we can embody that as a life force and carry it out into everything that we do. The intention here is for our students to become completely self-sourced, because we live in a performance-driven world and we really want to quantify everything, including sex. Eroticism has no numbers. It can't be measured because it's a state of being. And in order to feel this, be this, we need relational skills. We need emotional intelligence. And that's where we look to erotic intelligence. So inside the course of self-sorcery, it's not just about sex, it's about a life force where we imagine and reimagine ourselves over and over again. How do we reinvent ourselves and really instill this aliveness? Because when we have this aliveness running through our veins, we are connected to everything. It affects everything: our leadership, our creativity, our joy, our relationships, our critical thinking, and our overall happiness and well-being. It empowers our students to become sovereign and in their power as sex consciousness, how we open up and create a magical experience for all those who are in your presence without being deflated and drained, instead becoming connected and liberated. In order for that to happen, we need to understand some fundamentals as to how to make this happen, how we cultivate this. So erotic intelligence is about learning how to use and sharpen our intuition. We go into sex magic, the shadow feminine and masculine, attachment styles, sex and spirit as pure consciousness. We embody Eros, so we're unlocking authentic sensuality and how we can move that through the body. Somatic processing is where we transmute trauma, shame, blocks, and all stagnant energy that runs through our bodies. And where is the mind telling a different story to our body? Because most times we are completely unaware of it. And then unconscious kink is where we go into the power and false power of kink, how to identify it and work with it both sexually and non-sexually, because no one is exempt from this. Everyone has a kink, right? Sex is something that is across all cultures, all religions, all countries, and how it determines how we treat women, our power, our children, our vulnerability, double standards. Sex is a window to and where most radical changes take place. So it's an incredible, powerful portal into our lives. I'm not interested in sex being something that we do, but instead a place where we go. Sexuality is a lens, it's not an act. So tell me how you were loved, and I can tell you how you make love. It is our greatest desire to rebuild your relationship to your pleasure, to rewrite the story in our relationships, how we show up in life, where sexual liberation trumps sexual freedom. Have one first and then the other. How can we have Eros running through our veins? And how we can suck the marrow out of life and be alive in it as sex consciousness. So I'm going to invite you inside the container of self-sorcery, which is a 10-week journey that's designed to give you all this and more. So you can head to the schoolofsomatickink.com and you'll find all the information you need to join us in self-sorcery. Bye.